Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important, and no, it's not how to win arguments with your toaster. We're diving into the top 5 Kidde carbon monoxide detectors that'll protect your home, give you peace of mind, and maybe even make you laugh a little. So grab a snack, smash that like button, and let's talk about how not to get knocked out by the world's sneakiest gas, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. The silent, invisible, no-good ninja gas trying to sneak into your home like it owns the place. But guess what? You've got backup. With the top 5 Kidde carbon monoxide detectors, you won't just survive. You'll thrive and maybe even chuckle a little along the way. These aren't your average beep and blink gadgets. These are the elite, the avengers of air safety. Let's break them down before the CO breaks in. Number 1. Kidde CO detector with 10-year battery and digital display, aka the smart one. This beauty doesn't just sit there looking pretty. It updates CO levels every 15 seconds, has 3 LED indicators, like a traffic light but for air, and even records the peak level memory like it's keeping a diary of danger. Plus, with a 10-year lithium battery, it's in it for the long haul, longer than most relationships these days. Digital display, no wiring, no drama test hush button, because chirping is for birds, not alarms. 85 decibel scream when things go wrong. Why buy it? Because breathing is cool, and this detector makes sure you keep doing it. Please subscribe to the channel. Number 2. You know what's even better than a carbon monoxide detector? A portable one you can move around like your favorite houseplant. This unit runs on 2 AA batteries, has a green power LED, because green and good, and when danger strikes, it screams and flashes red like it's New Year's Eve in Times Square. Peak level memory UL listed, which means it passed all the nerdy safety tests. Test button doubles as a snooze button for low battery drama. Pro tip: take it with you when traveling. Hotels can be sketchy, and you deserve safety everywhere and maybe a mint on your pillow. Want to buy a Kidde carbon monoxide detector? Description link provided. Number 3. Kidde 10-year battery CO detector. Again, yes, the classic you'll want in every room. If this model looks familiar, it's because it's the same reliable unit as number 1. Why is it on the list again? Because it's that good. We're talking about the Godfather Part 2 of CO detectors, a sequel you actually want. With the same 10-year battery, digital display, 3 LEDs and memory features, this one's the reliable friend who always brings snacks to the party and saves lives. Easy installation alerts at 85 decibels, louder than your toddler. Mid-tantrum. Please subscribe to the channel. Number 4. Kidde plug-in CO detector with 10-year battery backup, the set-it-and-forget-it hero. Too lazy to screw something to a wall? Same. This model plugs right into a wall outlet like your phone charger. Plus, it has a 10-year backup battery, because carbon monoxide doesn't care about power outages. Digital LED display alarm, plus CO level readout, math but the life-saving kind, test hush feature to stop it from yelling during your Netflix binge bonus. It's a crowd pleaser for parents and grandparents. Just plug and play. Well, don't play with gas, but you get it. Number 5. Kidde plug-in CO detector with night light and escape light. The overachiever. This one's got a night light and an escape light. I mean, come on. What's next? It makes coffee. Sealed lithium battery. No replacements. Ever digital display dims at night. Yes, it knows bedtime etiquette. Bright light helps guide you out if things go south. It's like having a smart assistant who's ready to light the way and scream when there's danger. Honestly, we all need one of those. Want to buy a Kidde carbon monoxide detector? Description link provided. Why Kidde? Why now? Why you? Because these detectors aren't just Amazon's top sellers. They're your home's invisible superhero squad. From portable to plug-in nightlights to memory logs, Kidde's got a model for every need and every room. And let's be real, other detectors on Amazon, they beep like a microwave and conk out after a year. Kidde's in it for a decade. That's loyalty. Final thoughts. Don't let CO steal the show. You wouldn't go skydiving without a parachute, so why live without a carbon monoxide detector? These top 5 Kidde carbon monoxide detectors are the perfect mix of function, flair, and full-blown safety. So stop procrastinating, click Add to Cart, and make sure the only thing in the air tonight is your microwave popcorn. All right, friends, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more fun safety reviews, and drop a comment below. Which Kidde detector are you putting in your home first? Stay safe, stay funny, and remember, Co might be silent, but your Kidde detector sure isn't. See you in the next one.